Why are there not more people talking about Mdina? This ancient city is a goldmine of history and mystery. Mdina's story stretches back 3,500 years, starting with the Phoenicians who first fortified it. The Romans came next, renaming it Melite, and in 60 CE St. Paul himself shipwrecked here, converting the island to Christianity with tales of miracles. Fast forward to the 9th century, Mdina shrank and fortified, earning its name meaning walled city. It withstood the Great Siege of 1565 using clever tactics against the Ottomans. St. Paul's Cathedral, with its Baroque grandeur, stands on the very spot where St. Paul met the Roman governor. Beneath the city, hidden tunnels whisper secrets of escape routes and lost treasures. Mdina is a tapestry of legends, like the Grey Lady, a ghostly noblewoman, and the tale of a phantom carriage eternally roaming the streets. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every stone holds a mystery. So next time you're in Malta, step into Mdina, where the past is always present.